Very big good afternoon for outside the country people them. Chapter for this afternoon, we go talk palava them for store the way they don't lock them. Now for that side, so from Kululun side for New Bell, we Ogadi Osesep, it come up for put a paper on top people that been a place. Now for Sika waiting, now the answer that we'll go try for Gian for now for inside Tori this afternoon. Chapter 2 for Palava Road, we go take on a road for side for Liongo Village. It then a road where people they pass, go for Moyoka, pass go for Kumba, Ekonam. Now for inside Southwest, we go talk the chapter for road. Now for the same road, we first assistant senior divisional officer for Kumba, Ebi don't die. Since that time, the roads is the only where they go, This afternoon, we go talk that chapter. Even Waka for Army General, where they call it say Ogaremize, he says he don't already turn back for Yawende. After we go check as we Kamambru people them, they work for that side, so for Bamenda. All this story then so, plus even one day when newspaper they get, we go bring them for now for this afternoon. Big part talk, it tell we say waiting. Say time we girl, he know the take photo again, and he no go online, sabi say he don't enter belle. I say waiting, when you see say girl, he know the overtake photo again, or he know the go plenty for social media, sabi say na belle, he don't enter it. Me, I dey turn back for ye small time. Good afternoon. We glad for meet up una for this side. Story for this afternoon we go start begin an out chapter for Binet Place them. Palava urban disorder na for inside Douala here for that side of Kululun. People there they sabi the place fine. We sabi that place where they so they ever move na moto pa them where they sell them. Someone they chakara moto them. Ogadi o isesep e comot. He don't go put paper for this. Say the Binet place, he don't dey lock. Yes, say the Binet place, he don't dey lock. According to way Ogadi o he talk, these people then way he dey so they make palava for Binet for inside motopa them. They ever dirty roads. Now I mean say waiting when they dey for the chakara moto make all moto all the oil where they for inside moto he throw it for quota where he make the place over dirty. Now for Sika why that way Oga D Osesep as so talk Oga D O now in that Osesep he say now for Sika plenty disorder inside that place. Now for Sika why that way he Osesep and he lamboy they come out they block the whole place for say make people they know the cause dirty for inside town for Douala. Sabi say this place now only moto spare part them moto part them where they sell them they come out them and someone they even come out the moto self for inside roads where they make them place you know the ever open fine. So as well the talk just now population says business people them for place where they get this palava they talk say they want to say make DO he can open their business place back but DO says he don't throw heads he don't talk say if as well that people they make the place dirty he no go ever open people that business for that side so for Nkululun. Yes, na palava for urban disorder and palava for say make Douala a clean small so DOSSF it don't enter for roads. Now so make we enter back for this chapter for people them where they the chakara housing. Yes, people them for Douala now the whole place that the chakara so as soon as this year a whole house where the chakara and they more than 100 people where their house they don't chakara. Who side picking that they go now? Who say mommy they will carry their cargo go? Who say mommy they will get new place for she done? All the one they so na question where would they ask them for people the way they chakara house for Sika say it dey for corner airport. They say aeroplane if you by mistake land for the accident it happen. So when they try for comot people them for their land, when they try for deny say people they know she don't touch their land, when they chakara people them leave some people them for some kind of condition where they want cry. Who side they want put the people there now so? See some man, see how they don't go sleep. Now a new place that house will never finish. They cook now for outside. Even mommy pikin, a day now for on top chair. Now for them when mommy pikin, they look out pikin. See am. Now mommy pikin that and the pikin. Who side they she done? What they can suffer so who side will they go for Cameroon? Now say we want go for before for 2035. Now for 2035 we want go for before. Now whether we chakara people them. When did they ever talk say when you want comot dirty for my eye, move the small one way there for your eye before you comot another money own. But these people them for that side, they don't decide say make they go chakara people them. Make people they she done, they no get place or she done. Yes, they no get place or she done. Even cook, even mommy say way they give Bobby for pikin. Mommy say it don't confuse. Place where they don't she done for long time. Now we put the job we call so wow. They say they for corner airport. Airport. Place where aeroplane the sleep for inside. Now for sika waiting. That one a big balok. Yes. Na big balok. How they go manage suffer people then so for 21st century Cameroon. You the chakara people they don't even get mind. Say that people na their own normal combi them. For sika say they for corner airport. Airport say way he own no better. Yes, airport say he own he no better. But now people their house in that they won't move on. Now people their house in that. Who side they go she done? See the one he want cry na cry. He want cry. Who side put they go she done? So when they don't join remain there for house, they ever check they sleep there na for ground. Who said they go she done? Cook on na for outside. Mommy pikin say na for on touch chair for outside open air. If they look at the pikin, he give Bobby for pikin. Which kind of wickedness that? They want a big wickedness. Okay. When I say na airport people then, no trouble. Airport says it better. I say airport better the follow ye. Better it the follow airport. Make we enter for inside airport say Osiam. Now airport that. When I see am now airport that for Sika airport and aeroplane. Where the Chakana people there for outside airport say better know the follow ye. Now place where they carry cargo for airport for Douala ye. Now you see am when rain it fall for inside that airport, see how water the come out. All people their cargo they water the tosha. You see am? But the day for outside the Chakara people them for their thing them. Chakara put their house inside airport say you know better. You see am? Now inside airport that see how water the throw away as well rain the fall. When rain it fall for airport, place where they carry people their cargo they na different level. Now that no that say that way they na place that for inside Douala airport. They never see that one. They never see am. They never see that one. They see na people their house and for go Chakara for outside. Say aeroplane fit by mistake land on top their house. Accident happen. Airport say be better, e no better. So better no the follow no man. Better e no the follow no man. Move dirty small one way there for your eye before you come up for go move big dirty way there for different my own eye. I don't talk am. Make we talk chapter now for the pikin wey dey thief am. Yes. This pikin be she don outside now for only for 2-3 days. E no be don wash. E be the suck na different my bobby. You understand? So na different woman the bobby the pikin be the sucker. The pikin the thief am from Buddha. Na doctor that wey e dey look at the pikin so they see the pikin they say make they carry the pikin first go level for doctor dem. Make doctor they check the pikin. For 3 days and a half the pikin no be don lave it. E no be don wash. So as we no be don wash, they look at it for hospital. Na doctor that he carry and now go for 10 district police station. They say for them make we no enter for inside. But we don't use our sacred item. We enter for inside police place. Now for them they carry the pikin go live and for imami. For Sika say imami be so dey inside that police station. Then even the man wey thief that pikin, e be dead. But sabi say Tori has e no dey ever sandai. E no dey ever surrender. We turn up for this so say make we take we crow eye. We see the true mami for that pikin. And we should done for outside police station sote last. After we should done tie heart, mami pikin e last come for outside. I say we should done for outside. Now the mami pikin this where they go thief pikin from Buddha. Now the mami pikin the true mami pikin. Only glad wey be there for mami pikin in mind. Now different thing. Big glad where the mami to say thank God. Say Papa God he don't help you. And as well this also turn for the last. We go now for the family compound for inside Douala here. Now for them to go away plenty glad he did. I say glad he did. Say that pikin wey they thief up 3 days after they don't see that pikin. No be na all time wey Papa God dey do this kind of work. So they get for do serious prayer. They get for make serious BB prayer for Papa God for time Papa God for the pikin. Now the pikin that way they go thief from Buddha. Some balo get go thief the pikin from Buddha bring am for his boyfriend for here. Say na pikin that. Where he don't born. Yes, he bring a pikin say na pikin that he don't born. Anyhow, then one day they dey for inside police station. They say they go check as well, they go make investigate. After the finish investigate, they go send them go there too for the new house. Maybe a new house go be in a new bell, or a new house if it be too small kondengi. You understand? But now for new bell we will put it. Now so palava for roads. 2035 will go for before. Now road this. Any man wey one pass for that road for Liongo village. Now for Boya would so. All man they try take nyati. Now some small part there for day. It dey like some place now only your foot if you take a waka. But the people they hear bad. The roads it be start now with a small hole. Liongo village. Now so the road it don't open. You see no? All man it make na style for passing. All motor then they take na one side. Now only BB motor the way they get mind, they enter for inside the hole. And now for the same hole country people, we first assistant SEO for Meme, if we go Boya, he turn back, he make accident for ya. Since he make the accident, see that one. Now big motor that almost jammed that Okada for day. Because so Okada be one thief. Okada be one thief. Now that small so Okada for move them for game. You see him? Now what they ask governor say true. They went through a national road. When people they broke their foot every day, they die for day every day. Accident they happen for day every day. They the only turn up for faraway place they look at. They look and say, man, now who can do the work? If rich man ambassador say make you go work that road, they will tell ambassador, no worker. Governor never give authorize say make you work up. You be who for work up. Now governor say no, the one work the road. Road is the only where they go. Where they go. Where they go. People they don't die for day. Accident don't happen for day. But governor so look out so they only put your hands so they look the place. He say man now open and fine. No be so. Country people they wanna tell we suffer for that room here.
The work all of us get some of those small motor people. We work on corner. We know they go pass. So the bakers make us help fix we they know the way that only our own government. Bakers go help we fix the place. Because people don't get them where don't love their food them. We no correct. We are almost there for any because of the condition of the road. All of us the one thing na track.
My brother, where the road they show, I don't know how I picked up because the road they show is worrying me. But now the one come so coming young. Follow you cover your own side. We know the way if you walk for night, it will be risky for you. Maybe for afternoon step so. So my brother, if you fall for you the other day for you, we nearly broke your foot. We not only because they come young follow you cover your own track. So we try for big government, semi government try see into our own problems. Try for help we fix the road so that we will get better way for the worker. Because without movement, we no fit survive.
Say and so we go show and so maybe if they want go fix the road they go take na panabiting style they go cut the road cut and then can put something for inside wey that one you no go so help asabia na the new style that way they take fix road for Cameroon now when they see hole for some side they will bring machine dig and then can train us whether na cement or na quota for inside for them they don't fix the road that road okay make we take una go for stone quarter for Tole una dey see rope for light no rope for current for ground na rope that for current wey we dey follow and so rope for current na rope that for current wey people dey pass on top high tension rope you dey see am wey na breeze wey pass for stone quarter for Tole so for Boya na him wey that rope e throway so for ground you dey see am na rope that dem want am say make this rope for current e carry one pikin before they sabi say dem get waka move the rope na that you dey see danger na so for Tole for inside Boya we dey for Fako una dey see no na rope that wey you don turn up and that rope and that electric pole big danger for people dem for Tole they don dey cause people dem dey look all light una can fix with the rope they know the one can look am post SSO ezon cash I don phone jengu they know the can look am na rope that way dey sleep for ground people dey work on top small pikin o old people dem o even motor dem o dey wey that thing e go take one man na that time they go talk say well we no be sabi say so we dey talk for people dem now for Boya people dem dey look all light for Boya side una go for Tole go do the work For Sika say if the thing kill some person, no una go hold am. No una dey go hold am. They don't call una since say make una come fix am. Una don't deny for come fix am. And the rope e dey empty. Pikin dey pass on top. Old people dey pass on top. Motor dey pass on top. And now una dey so talk say we go. Okay, make una continue for talk so una go. When e don finish take for one person, that time una go talk say if we for sabi or for don go fix am. We dey talk na for big man for company wey the local light current for Boya side dey. The one no dey for Douala na for Boya. Una go do that work. Na BB danger for put their life. See how we pour e for. Na for from my house we pour don for Njengu. No na say na for road. Rope e dey waka na for road. Make we hear people dem for Stone Quarter for Tole dey talk for we.
But when they pass through the cable, even beginning when they don't work a when they not be able to work a fine, if you pass through the cable, will be shock from between it cause a disaster. Even for being was nothing, even for mommy for papa. So we don't have this string, so will not be safe. So the balance of network say at least we dey show up, do something. Anybody, even motor, no should be safe.
While we were the pass, so after that time, he drew down a lot of cables them and all of them current. So on that time, the authorities they never pass around to do the work. So you see, and so don't pass 1 week. We did down now.
Yes, make we hear another person for inside Stone Quarter for Tole. SSM na business woman. Wey for Sika that po wey don fall since business the waka, the people put chop on top the table for house.
I want them to be company be in charge of electricity for Cameroon. So that I have to move the pole. That breeze, we know that breeze can carry a natural disease. It can't carry it. It destroys our roof. Maybe struggle to fix our business place. All this time, I cannot fix my home because of my business. For the sake of people who are picking they run around, me they can't move this pole. Because whenever they sleep with this pole, too many fire. Yesterday, so they come say, we did beg them, they come but they just pass like that and go. The beg them.
Yes, we go left chapter for that pool for Stone Quarter. We go turn back for that side so for Moyoka. Now for so talk this chapter for Watam. Sabi say people them for Moyoka subdivision inside Fako division for Sawes. Then say they get problem for water too plenty. Now one of the big thing than that we cancel of them as so they be the meet up for that side so for Moyoka council. They look inside that chapter. But Sabi say according to we Mayor Nkeng Michael for that side so for Moyoka council talk he say he don't follow people there they look at water for Moyoka since for back. Council, the big man for council, then say where they call it say Ogal Emmanuel Ngamba Lodu, SDO for Fako, Ebidede, and Palava walkway council people they don't do you get their grandstand where they don't already finish where they go start make mash for inside. Other small work they do with council people that they plan for do but for Sika the Palava for Norways and Saways, it don't they make plenty of the work them for day for some kind of way council people then say they don't like and so now so the councilors them they meet up for check as way they don't use money way they be get for use how much it enter for inside council their bank and other small thing them for Moyoka council. Mayor for Moyoka council Nkeng Michael he get the talk for people them for Moyoka.
I will first thank them. Say they give me opportunity for save them from Moyoka. I want to repeat for them, say I will be their servant and I will always remain their servant. As election they come, what I don't do I'm never correct. They give you another mandate for continue for which I will live on. Now they will judge me because I never that kind of politician where I can't tell they say give me opportunity and they are not do them. No, I will always work with them. With all the projects that we are together with them, we don't do them. I want to thank them. And I know say my people from Moyoka are peace-loving people. My people from Moyoka are hard-working people. All which they need them for government. That will give them basic facility, like school for the people go, hospital for them to go treat themselves. If them chemicals will take and pump the cocoa, make them mean into the field like.
Very good. Mayor Nkeng Michael, big man says the local people them for that side for Moyoka for inside Fako division. Now so make we talk other tori them. We take una go first for that side so for Yawende. for talk say father them, bishop them, all them, the day for big ndongamen na number 43 ndongamen where they happen for Palava Episcopal Conference for inside country. And inside the big one, they be starting out a big prayer for beg Papa God, say me Papa God, he try bring peace and he try bring quiet for inside country where don't suffer all this suffer them for Palava for Northwest and Southwest. Grand Atango Seseb, e be day for see as well this chapter begin. Sabi say this big meeting where they start so all the bishop them, one day way they come up Bamenda, one day way they come up Manfe, one day way they come up Kumba, even for Boya, all the day them, and all them bishop them, they don't join up for talk semen gomnam, he find last medicine where he go help for cure this Palava for Northwest and Southwest. Sabi say inside the BB chapter 2, Grand Atango, he don't do waka for Northwest and Southwest, but certain now peace he never so turn back for the same place as we every day with the yena say they don't burn, they don't kill, or they don't arrest some people then. So all that one and so now we bishop them they the prayer and they don't talk say make Nkunkuma Seseb a call for true talk with people them, whether not the one the way don't talk say the one divide country or the one the way they outside. Bishop they talk say make they call all them so that the fish don't talk to where they hurt them for their heart and make Ngomna Seseb a hear where they talk for check as well they feel help this Palava where it don't happen for Northwest and Southwest. Sabi say the one it starts for 2016 and so now a day like say no medicine in no day for Giam for say make all thing a turn back to normal. We go leave chapter for bishop meeting there now. We will remain so for inside the same Tori for Palava for Northwest and Southwest. Big man for army people them, e be day for Bamenda, Sabi talk for na yesterday, say big man for army people them, Kamambru people them be day, but Bamenda na the big man say that, e be the come up for inside moto, e be take time for salute all the Kamambru people there, they be day after, as well they talk, e waka, small, e look the different level the army people them. After, e begin a big ndongamen with all army people them inside that side so for Bamenda. Sabi say inside the chapter, now for check the kind work wey army they do am and for tell for them thing wey they get for do am, may they no do thing wey they never do am or they never talk for them say may they do am. Oga Governor Seseb for inside Northwest as well you see Adoblele Lafrique. Every day they for say come good for the big man for Kamambru people them. After we he come off outside for check some of the work them we army people they do and when na for day we normal army people they get for she done. After the turn for inside Bamenda, he give his own instruction. He enter back for aeroplane one time. He turn it back for Yawinde. So now so they work for big man for Kamambru people them. He finish for that side so for Bamenda. Last story for this afternoon, we go take una go for Algeria. Since yesterday, na big cry die we dey for Algeria. We aeroplane a tombosai for Algeria side. More than 100 people they sleep straight for that aeroplane we craze for Algeria side yesterday. And inside the plenty people there they die. This one it don't make Algeria their own president Seseb for talks waiting. Algeria country people there they go get how many? They go get 3 days for make Bibi cry die. Yes, now forget 3 days now people then die they die for Sikada aeroplane where it throw so for ground for Algeria yesterday. So they get 3 days for make cry die for that side so for Algeria. It been at the first time where plenty people then so they die for Sika aeroplane where it craze for that side so for Algeria. So 3 days for cry die now it go happen for that side so for Algeria. Country people them now they Tori them that way Equinox people them with me we join them for Gian for this afternoon. Make we enter for Tori where we come with them for newspaper they get them for tell we this afternoon. The guidance post where it dey for outside for this afternoon. It tell we say Palava for Northwest and Southwest. They try for tell we the kind talk way people the way they catch and say they have them be the look at this chapter for Northwest and Southwest. They talk as well they be the give them Ngata a time. Sabi say inside that Ngata place a military court for Yawende. He give Pen Terence at least 12 years for she done for Ngata plus 5 million where he get for pay for Sika say be they guilty for some kind thing the way they be talk for it. Mancho BBC and the other people them their own case according to to wait where the Guardian Post talk they go here and tomorrow. So for inside the Guardian Post, you read some story where they talk say by force Ndonga men for neck, SDF it don't talk say it go happen. Now so to the Tewi Palava that Southwest Appeal Court big man where they be tifam the Tewi as well they don't levy, and even chapter for CPDM and Palava we outlet them where they run for that side. So for Australia for Commonwealth game they say finger them they the point now from Gomna. Now for Sika waiting the Guardian Post he get the answer plus other one for inside the skin. Make we enter now so for the post weekender where it day for our side the post weekender waiting there for inside the post weekender they tell we say the post weekender Atanganji he make magumagu with Cardinal Tumi and Monsignor Samuel Kleda. Yes, he make magumagu, he put them Zolo, then he come Douala. According to the post weekender they say Grand Atango he enter Douala where he sabi fine say Cardinal Tumi and Samuel Kleda they day for Yawende for their own big meeting where it they happen. So for inside the post weekender you go read Tori where it concern Oga Ekema Patrick when a mayor for that side. So for Boyam where they talk say after we he make 419 with book them with degree they will take them for that side. So for university for Boyam now so all thing it go pass now for inside court. So for inside the post you go read Tori where it concern people them where Kamambru people them where they don't kill them for that side. So for Bello according to the way according to talk where the post weekend a talk and for we today. Le Jour newspaper CCEP it there for our side today. For Le Jour newspaper we there for our side for this sometime it get its own strong number. Le Jour newspaper it tell we Palava important document them when a country own where they see am na for road. They ask and say waiting the secret all secrets for inside country they meet up and for road. Now some big book a document for country where they pick up for road. Le Jour it turn back for talk that chapter. So for inside the same Le Jour you go read Tori where it concern Palava people the way they get for give them a point like senator them as well they tell we SDF it don't divide. Inside the same Le Jour other Tori they day for corner. Now for you for go discover the Tori them we come be them for Le Jour they get them for we today. We take una now so enter for inside mutation where it day for outside mutation today for outside mutation Palava for Norwest and Southwest ground. Yes, Cardinal Tumi it don't come out again strong he talk. Yes, inside chapter for Norwest and Southwest Cardinal Tumi he don't talk again according to way mutation he tell we today. Sabi say they be talk with the Cardinal Tumi as well day for that side for Yawende he talk other talk them now for enter for inside for Sabi true waiting where Cardinal Tumi he talk for inside the chapter. Last story newspaper we will look for inside today na Poku newspaper they call her na Popoli he own strong number he tell we say waiting say a court from Kamambru people them for Yawende he don't give people them for Anglophone. Yes, that people there they casual say they be they guilty for inside the chapter where they pass for Norwest and Southwest 12 years for she done for inside Nkata. Now the strong number that where Popoli where they for outside this sometime he talk. So, can people them now so we see country for this number 2 time the meet up for years. Sabi say we day now for sika so na day for outside. Our work now for bring the Tori for talk from God now say work a day for outside. If they no sabi plenty work day where they get for do am for outside. So if you don't talk table, chop your chop fine, bon appetit. Ambassador go turn back for some time. It's happy birthday again for you. Angu Leslie for that side so for Tico on a whole and tight.